What if I told you that you can make soft, fluffy, restaurant-style naan at home without a tandoor? Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'm sharing an incredibly easy tawa naan recipe that turns out buttery, golden, and absolutely delicious every single time. Once you try this homemade version, you might never want to buy naan from outside again. So let's get started. First, take a large mixing bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now add 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and salt according to your taste. Give everything a good mix so the yeast, sugar, and salt are evenly distributed throughout the flour. Next, add 1/4 cup plain yogurt and 2 tablespoons melted butter. The yogurt helps make the naan extra soft, while the butter adds richness and flavor. Now, slowly pour in 1/4 cup lukewarm water. Make sure the water is warm, not hot, because hot water can damage the yeast and affect the rise of the dough. As you knead, you'll notice the dough becoming smoother, softer, and more elastic. This process develops gluten, which gives the naan its soft and chewy texture. Keep kneading until the dough feels smooth and no longer sticky. Once your dough is ready, shape it into a ball. Cover it and let it rest for about 10 minutes. During this time, the dough relaxes, making it easier to roll and helping create a softer naan. After resting, uncover the dough and divide it into 6 equal portions. Roll each portion into a smooth ball. Lightly dust your work surface with flour. Take 1 dough ball and begin rolling it out gently. Roll from the center outward while rotating the dough to maintain an even shape. The naan should not be too thin or too thick. A medium thickness is perfect because it allows the bread to puff beautifully while staying soft inside. Now heat a tawa or pan over medium flame. Once heated, place the rolled naan onto the pan. Reduce the flame to low and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Watch closely as small bubbles begin to appear on the surface. These bubbles are a sign that the dough is cooking properly and creating that signature naan texture. Now, generously brush melted butter on the cooked side. Flip again and brush butter on the other side as well. This step adds incredible flavor, keeps the naan soft, and gives it a gorgeous golden finish. Now, repeat the same process with the remaining dough portions. Lightly dust the surface with flour, roll each dough ball evenly, and place it onto the warm pan. As the naan cooks, you'll notice tiny bubbles forming across the surface. This is exactly what we want because it means the dough is cooking beautifully from the inside while staying soft and airy. Once the bubbles appear, carefully flip the naan and let the other side cook until golden brown. Stack the cooked naans on a plate and keep them covered with a clean kitchen towel. This simple trick helps lock in the moisture and keeps every naan warm, soft, and fluffy until serving time. And just look at that, fresh homemade tawa naan with a soft, pillowy center, lightly crisp edges, and a buttery golden finish. Save this recipe, give it a try, and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy and delicious recipes. Happy cooking!